The injector sprays fuel under pressure into the combustion chambers. It can become clogged due to fuel quality and carbon deposits, which degrade spraying and cause various problems. Loss of power, holes in acceleration, overconsumption, engine tremors, difficult engine starts, black smoke emissions. Use the Bardahl Easy Clean machine to clean the injectors. Cleaning procedure duration 45 minutes. Products to use: diesel injector cleaner or petrol injector cleaner. Protect your hands and eyes during the procedure and avoid any contact with the skin. Eco-friendly. Soot particles are completely dissolved and burned, not released into the environment. Use the appropriate connectors supplied with the machine. Read the fault codes with a diagnosis tool and cancel errors if any. Check the engine oil and coolant levels and make sure that the tank contains a quarter of fuel. Warm up the engine to at least 65 degrees Celsius. Using a funnel, pour the cleaning solution into the appropriate tank at the back of the machine. Connect the yellow inlet connector, engine fuel supply hose, and, depending on the vehicle type, the black outlet connector, injector return line. Connect the machine to the vehicle battery. Press the on-off button for the injection function. Use the navigation buttons to select the correct fuel pressure needed for the engine that you can find in the machine manual. Start the engine. Make sure that the engine runs smoothly and that there are no leaks. The cleaning procedure runs for 30 minutes. At the end of the procedure, there will be a sound signal. Stop the engine and switch off the ignition. Disconnect the connectors and reinstall the original fuel circuit. Start the vehicle. Ensure the engine runs smoothly and make sure that there are no leaks. If a fault code appears, clear it using the diagnostic tool. To purge the system and empty the product tank, hold down the button until the liquid is completely drained.